Typical Florida weather. There's the squall line. It'll be sunny again in a bit. Come through a little water. 15th and Balboa. Lady backing up, trying to get out of it so traffic can go. There's an old saying down here, if you don't like the weather, wait about 10 minutes and it'll change again. Gotta love it.